Hello friends, welcome back to Edupedia Word Videos, your destination to free online education. This video is the third part of the topic application of trigonometry. Friends, in the previous two videos we have covered some questions, some practical applications of trigonometry, and here I am with two more such questions. The first question says, Ram and Shyam are walking towards a lighthouse which is 75 meters high. So we have a lighthouse 75 meters high, and Ram and Shyam are walking towards this house. The angle of depression, friends, mind the word depression. The angle of depression from top of the lighthouse, see it is the top of the lighthouse, say the lighthouse be AB and the ground be this, so the parallel to the ground be the line, say AR dash. The angle of depression are 30 degree and 60 degree. See, say the angle of depression are this, that is R dash A R and R dash AS. So clearly this is the lesser angle and this is the greater angle. So R dash AR will be 30 degree and it will be 60. So by alternate angles, this angle formed by this Z-type figure will be 30 degree and correspondingly this angle will be 60 degree. Now we have to find the distance between them, Ram and Shyam. So again we have two triangles ARB and ASB. We have a common side AB. We have to find the distance between them, that is RS. So we have to use this height AB which is common and this base of the two figures. So again perpendicular and base will be the ratio P over B, that is tangent of the angle will play its role in this question also. So in right triangle ARB, ABR, right angled at B, and angle of elevation at R be 30 degree. We have tangent of 30 degree as perpendicular, that is AB over base, that is BR. Similarly, in right triangle ABS we have tangent of 60 degree. The angle of elevation is at S as 60 degree. So tangent 60 degree is AB over BS. Now we have to find out the distance between them, that is RS. To find RS, we can possibly convert this RS into the RB and SB RS as RS is RB minus SB. Now BR or RB from here is AB over tangent 30 degree, whereas from here SB or BS is AB over tangent 60 degree. So from 1, 2 and 3 we have RS as AB over tangent 30 degree minus AB over tangent 60 degree. Now AB is common and tangent 30 degree my dear friends, is 1 by under root 3, whereas tangent 60 degree, this you have to remember both the terms as root 3. In fact, these two terms are the most used terms in trigonometry, and tangent 45 is nothing but 1. So here AB common, and we have tangent 30 degree minus tangent 60 degree, which is AB over tangent 30, that is 1 by under root 3 minus under root 3. So all in all, we have AB. This, the denominator part, this under root 3 will go to the top as discussed in the previous videos. How? Minus 1 by under root 3. So this RS becomes, AB is 75 into, taking the LCM and under root 3 whole square, which will be 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, my dear friends, is 2, and 75 into 2 will be 150 by under root 3. So rationalizing, that is multiplying and dividing by under root 3, we have 150 under root 3 over 3. Now 150 is the 50th multiple of 3, so RS will become 50 under root 3 meters. That is, the distance between Ram and Sham is 50 under root 3 meters. Let us have the last question from my side of this topic. The question says, as observed from top of a 7-meter house, the angle of elevation and depression of to a cable tower are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. Friends, we have a house, a 7-meter tall house. We have a tower. The angle of elevation to the top of this tower from the top of the house is, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So it is clear that this angle will be with respect to horizontal, or the parallel line to horizontal. Similarly, the angle of depression is 45 degree. This is the angle of depression, which is 45 degree to the foot of the tower. Let the height be AB of the building, the height of the tower be PQ. So we have to find out the height of cable tower, that is, to find PQ. Since A and this line say R, since AR parallel to PQ implies that AB equals RQ. Therefore RQ is known directly as 7 meters. Now we have to find PR, because the total length of tower is PQ, which is PR plus RQ. We know RQ from here as 7 meter, whereas if we somehow are able to calculate PR, then we can find the total length. So in this triangle we have PR, which is to be calculated. We have angle. We don't know this slant height, but we can know this base, because this base AR is nothing but BQ. AR equals BQ. Therefore, if we are able to calculate BQ, then we can calculate AR. So let us first calculate BQ from this triangle. Friends, in this Z-like alternate triangle pattern, if it is 45 degree, then by alternate triangle theorem this will also be 45 degree. So in right angled triangle ABQ, right angled at B, and angle of elevation as at Q as 45 degree, we know this height and we have to calculate the base. So we'll be using the tangent again, the tangent trigonometric ratio. So tangent of 45 degrees, since 45 is the angle over here, is AB over BQ. Now tangent 45 degree, my dear friends, is 1. So 1 equals AB, which is 7, and BQ implies that BQ is nothing but 7 meters. So once BQ is 7 meter, then by this equation 1 we have AR equal to BQ as 7 meters. Now in right triangle PRA, this right triangle, right angled at R, we need to find PR, and we know the base, so we can again use tangent. So we have tangent 60 degree equals PR over AR. Now tangent 60 degree, my dear friends, as we have used many a times, and now at this stage I think it's known to all of you that it's under root 3 equals PR over 7. So PR becomes 7 under root 3. So the length, this is 7 under root 3, this is 7. So the total length becomes PR plus PRQ, that is 7 under root 3 plus 7 meters, or simply 7 under root 3 plus 1 meters. So the height of the cable tower is this. So friend, this was a video on some questions on application of trigonometric ratios. Thanks friends for watching Edupedia Word videos.